So we have the big three: Spectracide, Ortho, and Roundup. All right, those are the main ones that you will see in the big box store, you guys. You're not going to get away with it, all right, or you're not going to get away from it. You have Spectracide, you have Ortho, and you have Roundup. Now, these brands do different, like, I guess you would say models per se. So you have your Spectracide one shot, you have your Ortho ground clear, and you have your Roundup. Now, Roundup have different varieties. They have a lawn weed killer, so just for the lawn only, it kills the weeds. But this one is weed and grass killer, you guys. Weed and grass killer. Do not spray this in your lawn. You will regret it. All right, so what we are going to do is a weed versus battle triple threat. All right, we are going to see which one reacts the quickest, and we're going to see how they react during the week. We are going to give them a week's time. All right, that's all we're going to give them, 1 week to show us what they are made of. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will put y'all on a time lapse, and yeah, let's have some fun. All right, you guys, now before we get into the fun of this, you know, it's all fun, but at the same time, you have to be serious, especially when it comes to, you know, hazards and stuff. Everyone, make sure you wear your proper PPE when you're dealing with this stuff. Make sure you wear, you know, some people may need a face mask, because I know these two are very strong when it comes to smell. Wear some goggles, because, you know, the wind might blow the chemical back towards your eyes, so you want to be careful with that. But, you know, as regular homeowners, they just spray, and we all just spray. I will spray all three of these. This one will take care of this line, this one will take care of this line, and this one will take care of that row. And yeah, let's go ahead. Trying to do it at the same time, but this Ortho is coming out more foamy, so it must have a deeper chemical to it. All right, I went up and down about 3 times, 2 times, I don't even remember. Woo, that's strong. That stuff is strong, you guys. Wow. All right, this one is not that strong. This has some type of foam chemical, but it's not as strong as that Ortho. The Ortho is real strong. You guys, this smells like car cleaner, you guys, like car soap. Ooh, that other stuff is strong. Make sure y'all wear a mask or something. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna have the laps on there. Don't know how I'm gonna do the laps yet, but that will be it with that. All right, you guys, and I also did individual review with these, so you can go ahead and check that out. Pretty soon I will be coming up with a playlist so y'all can see the review when it comes to this stuff. And once again, I did an individual review, individual. I will try to put it at the end of the video. I will try to put it in the playlist so everybody can, you know, have fun watching the videos and see what product will they like the most spraying on their patio. All right, so let's go ahead, time lapse it, and have some. Oh my goodness, the time lapse cut off. Oh no, man. Shoot. Anyways, we are 2 hours in already. I'm so upset right now. The time lapse was supposed to be the one. Man, anyways. All right, you guys, so we are 2 hours in, and I have to say, Ortho is very dangerous, you guys. I'm scared of this brand right here. I'm scared of this brand right here. I'm gonna come back once I'm on my 3rd hour. I will finalize, and we will see. Usually this Roundup is the one that's supposed to be like taking over, but the Roundup and the Spectracide, once again, Roundup, Spectracide, if you haven't seen that weed battle, one of my first brand versus weed battles, whatever you want to call it. They are actually working at the same pace, but this stuff right here is definitely taking everything out, you guys. Wow, I can't wait to do this 3 hours review, and then we're going to do the 24-hour review. and then later on we will do the final week so we can go ahead and clean up this patio. All right, you guys. All right. So our 3 hours is up, and wow. Now y'all already know I cut in on the 2 hour mark because I was surprised. I was like, wow. This Ortho right here, you guys, if you really want quick results, like really quick, Ortho will get the job done in less than a day. Now, I sprayed this around 3, 4-ish or something like that. It's almost 8 o'clock now, so we are about 3 to 4 hours in. And you guys, now I can see that this is starting to come down, and I could also see this one, but these two are working at the same speed, and this one is just going ultra fast. All right, so what I'm going to do is just leave it here. We are going to do the 24-hour or 1-day checkup and see how everything reacts by tomorrow, and then I will do maybe a week, you guys. I might give y'all a week. Maybe tomorrow I'll wrap it up, or I might give y'all a week later review, or end of the week review. And yeah, catch y'all in a little bit, or catch y'all in a few hours. All right, you guys, and the 24-hour results are in. The Roundup clearly won this battle by speed, but all three are working effectively. Here goes the one shot right here. All right, here goes the Ortho, and the Ortho was working very well, you guys. Like, that stuff is dead. So take y'all on a trip with the Roundup. All right, so basically the Roundup and the Spectracide are tied. All right, they are working the same. So that's how it was before when I did the weed battle with the Roundup and Spectracide, but the Spectracide was a different brand. Well, not a different brand, a different what would y'all call this, sub brand from Spectracide or whatever. They have so many daggone names. Spectracide one shot, then they have Spectracide the other stuff, and Spectracide the other stuff, and so does Roundup. Roundup have different divisions. And Ortho, I think I've seen about 3 different Orthos out there. So I keep saying throw. Ortho. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so Ortho won this race, you guys. All right, but you can go with both brands. Both brands work efficiently. It may take like a day or 2, or you might have to give it a week so it can be fully brown. All right, you guys, so we are 7 days, or not, well, yeah, kind of 7 days, about 6 days, you guys, 5 to 6 days in, and I will count that as a week. And as you can see, the Roundup came through as usual, but the Ortho, you know, Ortho was #1 in the race. With that being said, this is the big 3 for me when it comes to weed and grass killer. You have Spectracide, Ortho, and Roundup. I hope y'all enjoyed this brand versus right here, weed versus weed killer, or weed killer versus weed killer, whatever you want to call it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully we will have some more coming soon, depending on how much weeds I will have left. You guys, right now I want to go ahead and start cleaning up this patio and getting it together and have my patio ready for the summertime, you guys. So that will be it. Other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.